So is this strategy that I use on volatility 75 good for small accounts, or it's only good for big accounts? I think it depends on what you call a small account. For some people, a small account is anything below $20. For some, it's anything below 50. For some, it's below 10. For some, 100 is a small account. So it's a relative uh, figure. But the least amount that I've used this strategy to trade VIX has been $15. $15. And it has relatively paid well. Like my recent trade was from there to around here, and I'm out of the market. Now it's doing whatever it's doing. I do not exactly worry about any movements in this section. What I'm looking for is movements out of this zone, out of this zone, out of that zone, out of that zone. And I think if you make yourself these kind of conditions, if you give yourself these kind of conditions, there is no reason for you to lose your money in trading. Of course, sometimes it's not going to go according to your plan, but it's trading. It's trading. So you just need to have enough money for sometimes drawdowns, because sometimes you're also going to have what drawdowns. So you just need to be prepared for that, because we know volatility 75, you can easily make money and you can easily lose money. That's why I prefer it only when we are moving from the zone in my expected direction. I don't try to predict things and become a superstar or anything of the sort. I am waiting for us to move out of this zone. Clearly, we are out of the zone here. You can easily see that we have no interest of coming back into what? Into the zone. Here, you can easily tell that we do not have any interest in coming back into this zone. So it's not like you just see one candle out of the blue and you then just sell. You wait. It's about your money. So you have to be careful with how you place your money in the market. So with this strategy, if you have a small trading account, what you're going to do is, out of the zone, you are actually going to wait for some confirmation. It sometimes does that, and I like it when it does that, where it comes back and sort of plays along, and it's showing you that it's failing to go back this side. There is no interest in going back to touch the zone. For me, that's a reason to what? To then sell. Maybe I would then enter a sell somewhere there, or somewhere there if I'm late. But otherwise, I don't come in these areas and start selling in these areas. I usually don't have appetite for these areas. For me, it's no man's land, because I don't exactly know what's going to happen. It might look like it's going to go down, and then boom, it changes direction and it turns on you. And then for the buy, you can clearly see that we got out of the zone and we came and just like danced around this area, just showing you that we have no interest in going back this way. And then you would probably bought here, or bought out of what? This area there. We already said that. Ways, I need a box. I need a box. We already said, if you watched the other videos that I did, that VIX also loves to print these boxes, these ranges. If you watch out for them, you can easily easily place a pending order there and a pending order this side, and hopefully your pending order gets hit and you get to make a lot of money. And you can clearly see we have a clear range there, and breakout of this range is a good trade. So these are the things that you can easily look for when you are trading volatility 75 index. Of course, my advice is to always start on the higher time frames. Start on the higher time frames. People are afraid of going to the higher time frames when it's synthetic indices. Start on the higher time frames, get a direction from there, get an idea from there, get an idea from the higher time frames, and see what it's saying. Just go with the flow. Just go with the flow of the higher time frames. Don't be tempted with trading 1 minute charts. I'm not saying that people don't make money with that 1 minute chart, but you see, if we don't have my zones there, you cannot exactly tell where it's going and where it's not going, because like we are in no man's land. But if you put in my zones, if you bring in my zones, then you begin to see a picture of, yes, we are basically in a no man's land. I'm not interested in any trades in this area. If we go to the 30 minute, I'm not exactly interested in any trades in this area. At least that's me. That's me. I'm not interested in any trades in this area. My interest areas are here, here. And if you watch the videos that are on this channel, I showed you how I basically plotted these channels. You can basically hold on to these zones for quite some time, so you don't need to always plot in new levels every time that you're going to be trading. You see, they can be sustained for a very long time. I'm not saying that I'm predicting the market. I'm not predicting the market, but I'm just saying that it's something that I've observed, that you can watch out for these levels, and you might actually see that they might be held for some time before they are changed. So it's something that you just need to think about. But otherwise, with VIX, many people always ask me what the minimum can you trade with VIX. The the best trade that I ever did with VIX was actually flipping. I think it was $2 into something like $30 overnight. You just catch one of these good moves. That's it. You are in the money, and you can easily flip your $2 into $50 or something like that. That's the beauty about volatility 75. But also, don't be fooled. If you make a mistake and you are wrong, definitely you lose that $2, or you lose that $5 or that $10. And that's the reality of the market. So you just need to have an idea of your pain point. How much are you willing to lose in the markets, and how much are you not willing to lose? You determine for yourself your point of pain. Okay. So I believe this is the simplest, one of the best strategies for scalping volatility 75, for trading volatility 75. It's simple, and you can easily see where volatility 75 is going. No fancy indicators, no fancy business, no hanky panky, no nothing, no dancing around the fire, no nothing. Simple way to be trading the market. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Go ahead and like the video if you did not learn one or two things in this video. I am hoping that at least I've given you some entertainment or something to think about. Yeah, otherwise, if you are looking for forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box below. Otherwise, if you have any questions, if you have any thoughts, if you have ideas, things that you want me to talk about, to look into, we are here to help one another. We are here to help one another. So leave your thoughts, your comments in the comment section below. Until next time, bye.